Hey, what's up, guys? Have you ever in the situation where you have to generate a QR code in your design and uh, you want to share it, a working QR code in your prototypes, or probably you want to share your prototypes with a QR code so anyone can scan the QR code and access your Figma prototypes. So today we are going to create a cool QR code right inside Figma. We'll be using a plugin which is developed by UXMate. So yep, link will be in the description. So let's jump into the Figma and get started with it. Well, before that, if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, then do it right now, because if you're not subscribing to the channel, then you are going to miss a lot of exciting design content. So yep, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon next to it. So let's jump into the Figma and let's see how to create a cool QR code in Figma. Let me quickly open the plugin. So you can open it from the action panels, or you can open it from the plugins menu, or you can go to the community, or I'll share the link in the description as well. So let's go to the action menu, let's go to the plugins and widgets, and then search for QRIFY, QR code generator. You can generate three types of QR code here. So first one is URL, where you can enter an URL and you can define you can generate a QR code of the URL. So anyone who scans the QR code will redirect it to the URL which you have defining here. And then you can create a contact QR code, where you can define some basic details about the contact card, and then it will generate a contact QR code right inside Figma. And then third one would be a text, where you can define free text and you can generate a QR code. When someone scans the QR code, then it will basically opens up that text, where which user can add it to the note, user can copy the text, or user can use the text wherever they want. So for this demo, let's create a URL QR code, and you can add any URL. So I'll just give the URL of our website, so which is https://www.uxmate.co.in. By the way, if you have not checked the website yet, then be sure to check it out, because you will get a lot of cool stuff about the UX. There are lots of blogs, there are lots of content, there are lots of insights about the UI UX designing, and you can see all our blogs there. So let's quickly generate the QR code, and now your QR code is generated. Now you can see it is a vector QR code, it is not an image, so you can scale it up, down as per your designs. You can change the color whichever you want, right? So yeah, so there's this cool QR code plugin developed by UXMate. So I would like your support, and be sure to write down in comment what you have learned from this video, and what you would like to learn in the future. And if you are new and if you have not subscribed yet, then do it right now and hit that bell icon, because if you're not doing that, then you are going to miss a lot of exciting design content. So yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.